It's much easier to use another plant as scaffolding. But they won't get very high unless they can hold on tight. Like fingertips searching for a hold, this ivy's adhesive pads grip the bark. Instead of sticking to the trees, some climbers use sharp claws. The cat's claw creeper hooks its tendrils into the tiniest crevices and hauls itself to the top. With every metre it climbs, the light gets a little stronger, fueling more growth. This tendril of a passion flower seems to flail aimlessly in midair, but in fact it's searching for an anchor point. Its tendril coils on itself, pulling the plant towards its support. In a matter of just days, these climbers make it to the canopy. Now, with light in plentiful supply, these plants are able to flower.